Former leaders and stakeholders of the Association of Former National Association Nigerian Student NANS don't buy the expression of interest form for one of their former leaders, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu. The group carry waka enter Wadata Plaza, national headquarters of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Abuja on Thursday, 11 January 2024. Patrick Afugbere, Godwin Maliga, and others who lead the group come here and say that the track record of Philip Shaibu as the Deputy Governor of Edo State for the past 7 years now ginger them to put money together to support their aspirations to contest the PDP gubernatorial primaries for Edo State.
Today we are here in our numbers, just a few representatives, to come and purchase the expression of interest form for one of our own, Comrade Philip Shaibu, the Deputy Governor of Edo State. He is our own. We know his antecedents. We know his performance thus far as Deputy Governor of Edo State. And that is why we have gone out of our ways to contribute our mega resources to ensure that we ask him and encourage him to join the race for the governorship seat of Edo State. He has done it before, and we know he will do even better as Governor of Edo State. In fact, I dare say, on behalf of this forum, that Edo State is blessed, will be exceedingly blessed to have him as Governor of Edo State.
The group Konya says Shaibu leadership qualities make him the right candidate for the Edo 2024 election and say they believe Edo State go benefit well from his leadership. The comes to give accolades to Shaibu, say Naim be the most active and best performing deputy governor for Niger and say he get 80% chance to get the PDP gubernatorial ticket for the party's February primaries.
But Philip Shaibu stands out as the best deputy governor in the whole of Nigeria. I can beat my chest on that. And on that ground, on the strength of that, I can tell you that he has over 80% chances of grabbing the ticket of PDP. And as faithfuls of this party, we are sure that with him as the candidate of PDP in Edo State, the state is there for the taking for the party.
The group Consti Talk says since democracy returned to Edo State for 1999, PDP never give governorship ticket to any Edo North candidate and say it is very important say they give Philip Shaibu the ticket and they believe strongly say Shaibu chance of winning high well as Philip Shaibu na former NANS Presido, former legislator for the Edo State House of Assembly and a former member of the House of Representatives and now he target na to become the governor of Edo State for November 2024 even though say he dey face wahala and opposition from Yoga the governor who don't put hand for Aswe Igodalo as the candidate for governor.
Well, like we have heard him say over time, the heart of man is desperately wicked. I cannot say what is in your mind right there now as you're speaking to me. But the truth is, I sound so confident because I know him. This is somebody who have worked closely with as NANS president in the year 2000. So this is a region that spanned over 2 decades. We know what he stands for, the principles he believes in. And that is why we are confident. Then on the issue of the governor's support, it is no man is God. You are aware that sometime in Edo State, they were the people that raised this campaign of one man, one vote. One Philip Shaibu, one vote. One Govunor Baseki, one vote. One Oshomole, one vote. And so they decided to kill God for that reason. So I think it is the turn of the people to decide who will be the governor of Edo State. And I am very confident that with what Philip Shaibu is made of, once he gets the ticket of PDP, the people will elect him as governor of Edo State.
We believe that primaries basically is for the party, national to come and conduct the primaries. And if the primaries is going to hold today, we are confident and sure that the delegates who are party members will definitely pick our candidate as the next candidate of our party.
Make another forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting, TMC TV News.